Well, a bit of a challenge here for the Mini 2 SE. I'm out here on the shores of Lake Superior. Just pick up some video. Look, we got some surfers. It's a gloomy day and a very windy day. It's got to be gusting close to 40. But we're going to take a run down Park Point here on the shores of Lake Superior and see what this little thing can do. Very strong. It's chucking me around. I don't dare get any higher than that. But it is making it. Albeit very slowly and struggling. Yeah, it's good. Jump back. I gotta say it. This little thing is an incredibly impressive drone. I did not push it today, but I could have. I mean, the fact that it could go at all in those winds. I mean, it's blowing 50 at least. 35 to 40 prevailing, gusting 50, between 50 60. And this thing was handling, it was off track, it was skewed a little bit, but very impressive.